Classification of amino acids. First and most important classification of amino acid that is depend upon is necessity in our body. So first point is essential and non-essential alpha amino acids. We have discussed that almost 26 amino acids has been synthesized right now, जिसमें से 20 amino acids ऐसे हैं जो mostly सभी के अंदर सभी प्रोटीन्स में मिलते हैं और उन सभी 20 प्रोटीन में से 10 ऐसे प्रोटीन हैं दैट इज वेरी असेंशियल फॉर आवर बॉडी. सो जो मेन क्लासिफिकेशन हम कर सकते हैं वो इसकी असेंशियलिटी पे और नॉन असेंशियलिटी पे हम उसको डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. तो ह्यूमन मस्ट ऑब्टेन these amino acids from their diet because they either cannot be synthesized them at all or they cannot synthesize them in adequate amount. तो जो भी amino acids which cannot be synthesized by our body, जो amino acid जो हमारी बॉडी नहीं बना सकता और उसको हमें कहां से लेना पड़ता है, from our diet source, protein rich diet source. उन अमीनो एसिड्स को हम असेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स कहते हैं या इंडिस्पेंसिबल अमीनो एसिड्स कहते हैं. तो अमीनो एसिड्स व्हिच कैन नॉट बी सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड दीज मस्ट बी सप्लाइड इन द ह्यूमन डाइट आर नोन एज essential or indispensable amino acids. These are known as essential or indispensable amino acids. Sometimes जो हम प्रोटीन्स ले रहे हैं तो उसके अंदर सारे प्रोटीन्स, सारे अमीनो एसिड्स उसके अंदर नहीं होते हैं एंड सम ऑफ these amino acids used to synthesize protein needed by the body, some are broken down to supply energy to the body and some are used as a starting material for synthesis of known protein compound in our body as per the need. तो हमारे को ऐसे सोर्स खाने चाहिए, ऐसे प्रोटीन सोर्स खाने चाहिए जिसमें कि सारे 10 अमीनो एसिड्स मिल जाएं. आउट ऑफ दीज 20 अमीनो एसिड्स 10 are these 10 amino acids from 20 amino acids are essential or we can say indispensable amino acids. Out of these 20, 10 are essential. Out of these 20, 10 are very essential and 10 जो अमीनो एसिड्स बच के वो बॉडी खुद उनको सिंथेसाइज कर लेता है. तो उनको हमारे को डाइटरी उसमें डाइट में नहीं लेना पड़ता है. These are prepared or synthesized by body itself. तो अमीनो एसिड्स which can be synthesized by human body itself, जो हमारी बॉडी खुद बना ले and that does not required in human diet are known as non-essential or dispensable amino acids. तो कंप्लीट प्रोटीन डाइट जैसे फिश है, एग्स हैं, मीट हैं, दे कंटेन ऑल द 10 एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स. तो इसलिए बताते हैं कि अगर हमारे को प्रोटीन डाइट लेनी है तो मोस्टली we have to use meat, fish, eggs and milk because these contain all 10 essential amino acids. Incomplete proteins contain too little or one or more essential amino acids to support the human growth. For example, अगर दाल, pulses, beans की बात करें तो they have some deficiency of some amino acids. तो उसमें सारे amino acids नहीं होंगे but although they provide some protein in our body. Next classification is that based upon its neutrality, basicity and the acidic character. You can see here that these are divided into 3 parts, that is neutral amino acid, basic amino acid and acidic amino acids. Neutral amino acids किसे कहेंगे? Neutral amino acids are those acids which contain 1 plus NH3 group and 1 CO माइनस ग्रुप. यानी जो जिन अमीनो एसिड्स के अंदर एक कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन हो, एक अमीनो N plus NH3 ग्रुप हो उनको हम क्या कहेंगे? These are known as the neutral amino acid. For example, this glycine or alanine, this is the R group. It can be anything, and this is here again the CS2 group is present, and this is the alanine. So again there is 1 plus NH3 and 1 COO minus group. So it compensate with each other. So these are neutral amino acids. In basic amino acids, if we talk about these basic amino acids, so basicity means we have some more NH3 group जहां पर particular plus NH3 के अलावा और भी NH3 plus group present हो उस amino acids के अंदर, यानी more basic group are present, then these are known as basic amino acids. Example is lysine, arginine. Again you can see there is again one NH2 plus group is present. So again this is basic amino acid. Third one, classification, that is for acidic amino acids. तो acidic amino acids में क्या होना चाहिए? इसके अंदर एक एक्स्ट्रा CO माइनस ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए. बेसिक के अंदर क्या था? बेसिक के अंदर एक्सेस में there should be a NH3 प्लस ग्रुप, और न्यूट्रल अमीनो एसिड में क्या होंगे? इक्वल अमाउंट में, इक्वल रेशियो के अंदर NH3 प्लस ग्रुप होगा एंड COO माइनस ग्रुप होंगे. दैट इज इन इक्वल रेशियो. बट इन बेसिक NH3 plus groups are more as compared to the COO minus group, and in case of acidic, more number of CO minus group as compared to the NH3 plus groups. तो अगर ये ज्यादा होंगे तो वो अमीनो एसिड्स क्या कहलाएंगे? एसिडिक अमीनो एसिड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल aspartic acid and glutamic acids, these are the example of acidic amino acids. Stereochemistry of amino acids. We found all alpha amino acids except glycine. Glycine is this. Glycine is this NH2 CH2 COH. और अगर इन डाइपोलर फॉर्म के अंदर शो करें तो इट विल बी द NH3 plus. These are the two hydrogens present on the carbon, and this is the COO minus. So all alpha amino acids, जितने भी अल्फा अमीनो एसिड्स होते हैं वो 4 डिफरेंट ग्रुप से जुड़े हुए होते हैं. तो इसका मतलब कि ये जो कार्बन होगा, दिस कार्बन इज कायरल and it has stereo center, so all amino acids are chiral in nature. और जितने भी मोस्टली जितने भी अमीनो एसिड्स मिलते हैं that are in L configuration, the amino acid drawn in a Fisher projection with the carboxylic group always at the top, वो हमेशा टॉप पे रहेगा, and the R group is at the bottom in the Fisher projection formula of the vertical axis. Now if this NH3 plus group is on the left side, then these amino acids are L amino acids. ये क्या होंगे? सारे L amino acids होंगे. This is the 3D structure of amino acid. That is the example of alanine. So this group is the CO minus group. This is NH3 plus group, and this is the CH3, and this is the hydrogen. So this is the chiral center. This is the chiral center, and NH3 group is present on the left hand side. CO minus group is present always on the top in vertical axis. NH3 is present on the left hand side. So mostly the amino acids are in L form, whereas the monosaccharides are mostly in form of D form. But in this case I am writing to explain कि why these are known as L, because यहाँ पर जो भी OH group है that is present on the left hand side. So this is an example of a it is an example of a saccharide where this is the L glyceride. So mostly we found this L amino acids. D amino acids have been found only in few peptides, antibiotics, and in some small peptides attachment of the cell wall of bacteria. तो वो हमारे काम के नहीं है. हमें तो ये ध्यान में रखना है कि mostly जो amino acids हैं these are in the L form. Now in term of R and S nomenclature, अगर R और S की बात करें तो since this R group is always have lower priority, because यहाँ अगर priority order देखें तो priority किसको मिलेगी सबसे ज़्यादा? That will be always the higher priority, that will be the NH3. After that CO minus group, and the priority will be given to this R group, and the least priority will be the for this H hydrogen. So अगर R and S nomenclature की बात करें according to chain in called pre-log, तो priority of these amino acids is like this, in which NH3 plus always have the higher priority as compared to CO minus. तो यहाँ suppose this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So the rotation is clockwise. If it is clockwise, that is R, but H group, which is the lowest priority group, is present in the horizontal axis, so it is S. So it is S. So most of the L amino acids have the S configuration. उनके ज़्यादातर जो configuration होगा that will be S.